Hey guys, welcome to the class. How are you all doing? How was your day today? How is your preparation going on? Are you all excited for case study based questions today? Hi Tarun, hi Irfan, hi Gaganpreet, hello, hi Masles, hi Arun. All of you, welcome to the class. Hi Pro Learner. So, love from Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh. Love from Karnataka. Your name is Arpit? Okay, cool. Yeah. Nicely going. The revision and everything. That's nice. Yeah. So, it's already, what is the time? It's already 6:40. Let's get started. Okay. I hope everybody is doing absolutely fantastic. So, yeah, let's get started. Today, we are going to discuss case study based questions. These are extremely important in your board exam. Okay, it's very important. Hi Priyansh, hi Galfik, yeah, hi Neetu, hi everyone. Yes. So, let's get started. Before that, as always, let me remind you to please subscribe to the channel Diksha Vedantu English for 9th and 10th. So, I am your chemistry master teacher. You must already know my name. My name is Ankita. So, I will take chemistry, and yeah, we have a Telegram channel as well. And the link in the description goes to Telegram channel, and you will get free notes. Okay, don't miss out on the free notes. This is available in the notes as well, in the form of PDF as well. Please click on the link and download the PDF. This is very important, case study based questions. So, this is one of the types of competency based questions. I have already made a video on competency based questions, how to score 100% on competency based questions. So, it was released a day before yesterday. Go check that out. This is very important. Okay. Let's get started. Yeah. Are you all ready? How is the Josh? Yeah. Come on. How is the Josh? No Josh. It's just me who is all energetic and jolly. Okay. So, there is exam rush. Okay. At exactly 9 o'clock every single day, I will be giving you tips and strategies to ace your exam. So, you need to ace your exam, right? So, board exam. It starts on 21st of February. For people who have taken Hindi, if you have taken Samskrita, so it starts on 19th. Okay. And yes, the topics under 15 minutes. I will be teaching important topics from all the chapters of chemistry in under 15 minutes. Okay, like properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid, and we are going to discuss about metallurgy under 15 minutes, and preparation of salts and their uses, and everything. All the important topics that are important for your board exam. The this series starts on Monday, from Monday. Okay. My name is too good. Thank you. Thank you, Arpit. Yes. So, Josh is high. Okay. Yes. I'll sing a song at the last. Okay. Only if you have time. Alright. So, yeah. On 27th of February. Oh, first question. No. Where is it? So, on 27th, so I'll be taking chemistry marathon for 7 hours straight. For 1 hour, so we'll discuss concept, and for 20 minutes PYQ discussion, 15 minutes doubt clearing, and 10 minutes we'll take break after every class. Okay, so you'll stay till the end of the session. Okay. No, I'll definitely sing a song. Okay, just give me a second. I need to change something here. Okay. Yes, just give me a second. Let me sing a song even now. So we'll have some time. What do you want to hear? Yes? What do you want to hear? No, I'm not going to forget. Definitely not. So we'll sing a song at the end of the session. Okay. I'll sing a Kannada song now. Okay. Arpit, hi. Yeah, I can take your name again. I'm really sorry for this. Song. Okay, I'll sing a Kannada song. Okay. What song? There is this Kannada movie which was released recently. I'll sing a song from that. Okay. Just give me a second. Meanwhile, let me open this. Okay, cool. Let's start with the song, okay, so that all of you are in a good mood. And yeah, in the end of the session also I'll be singing a song, and I need you to answer nicely in the live chat, so that you give me the inspiration to sing a song. Cool? All right. ಕಡಲನು ಕಾಣ ಹೊರಟಿರೋ ಕರಗೋ ಕರಗೋ ನದಿಯೇ ಕಡಲನು ಕಿರಣವು ಮುಗಿಲ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ ದೋಣಿ ತೇಲಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಏಕಾಂತವಾಗೀಗ ಮರೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನಾವೇ ಕಂಡ ಕನಸು ಅನಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರ ಇಡಲೇ Okay, let's get started. Okay, we cannot waste any more time. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, today is chocolates day. All right, happy chocolates day to you too. All right, so let's get started. Very first chapter, very first question. So read the question here. Okay, read the paragraph that's been given, and I need you to answer. Okay, thank you so much. Yes. So corrosion is the phenomena of deterioration of surface of metal in presence of air and moisture. It is a natural process, and in the presence of a moist atmosphere, chemically active metals get corroded. This is an oxidation reaction. Rusting is a process where iron corrodes due to exposure to the atmosphere. The main circumstance of corrosion occurs with iron because it is a structural material in construction, bridges, buildings, rail transport, ships, etc. Aluminium is also an important structural metal, but even aluminium undergoes oxidation reactions. However, aluminium doesn't corrode or oxidize as rapidly as its reactivity suggests. Copper corrodes and forms a basic green carbonate. Okay, so now this is the paragraph that they would give. Then comes the questions. Okay, this is the question. What is rusting? Which two metals do not corrode easily? Write the chemical name of the compound formed on corrosion of silver. Corrosion is dash. There are 4 options that are given here. First one, I'll tell you trick for study based questions. Okay, case study based question. First read the questions and then read the paragraph. First read the questions and then read the paragraph. If you do that, the thing is you will be able to connect the answer there. Okay, so rather reading everything multiple times, if you know the questions already, you will look for the answer in the paragraph. Okay, yes, tell me, what is rusting? Yes, what is rusting? Corrosion of iron is called rusting. The two methods to do galvanization and anti-rust paint. Yeah, so let's write that. Okay. Yeah, what is rusting? The corrosion of iron is called rusting. Iron is called rusting. Okay, so you can even mention what is given in the paragraph. See here, what have they given here? What is corrosion, what is rusting they have given? It is a natural process and in presence of moist atmosphere, chemically active metals get corroded. It is a oxidation reaction. So see here, you need to write this. Rusting is the process where iron corrodes due to exposure to the atmosphere. This must be the answer. Okay, very good, very good. Tarun, Krishu, Galfik, Rashmi, Arpit, all of you are giving a really good answer. See, whatever they have given in the paragraph, if the answer is already in the paragraph, write that answer. Okay, so use this. Rusting is the process where iron corrodes due to exposure to the atmosphere. Okay, next, which two metals do not corrode easily? Yes, you are right. Silver, platinum, gold. These are least reactive metals, that's why they are not going to corrode that easily. Very good, everybody is giving really good answer. Great, awesome. So third one, write the chemical name of the compound formed on corrosion of silver. Which is that? Silver oxide. Think again, it's not silver oxide. Silver sulfide, very good. It is silver sulfide. Silver is going to react with hydrogen sulfide gas to form silver sulfide, which is greyish black in color. Hi Abhijit, hello. Hi Quizmaster, hi. So next, last question, corrosion is dash, a redox reaction, a reduction reaction, a displacement reaction, an oxidation reaction. So it is already given in the paragraph. See here, what is given here? Where is it? It is an oxidation reaction, they have already mentioned. Sometimes you know what, these paragraphs are really helpful in order to answer other questions. Okay, so you can read the paragraph thoroughly and answer other question if you don't know something. I have done it in the board exam. Okay, very good. Type of chemical reaction that involves transfer of electrons between two species. Absolutely right. Details of least reactivity do not corrode easily because there is no react with presence in air. Okay. Yeah, so the least reactive metals are not going to react that easily. That's why they do not undergo corrosion as easily as highly reactive metals, like, you know, not highly but moderately reactive metals. Okay, oxidation, very good. Neetu, Irfan, all of you. Abhijit, Galfik, Krishu, Quizmaster, and we have Tarun, Arpit. Super guys, super. Absolutely right. So option D is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next case based study question. So this is the question number 2. Oxidation is a process of gaining of oxygen or losing of hydrogen. Reduction is the process of losing of oxygen or gaining of oxygen. We already know the definition for oxidation and reduction, right? So reduction is a process of losing, we know that. So the substance which undergoes oxidation is the reducing agent, while the substance which undergoes reduction is known as the oxidizing agent. Oxidation and reduction always takes place together, and these type of reactions are known as redox reactions. Some of the examples of redox reactions are given below. So there are few examples that are given here. Okay. Look at the paragraph again, read it. Let me show you the questions. Questions are, first one, give 2 examples of oxidation reaction from your everyday life. This is not there in that paragraph, but this was there in the last one. What is it? Give the answer. Just give me a second. Yes, come on. Saudebazi song. Okay, I'll sing that at the end of the session. Is this somebody I know? Because I have sung that song on my Instagram page. Or is this a coincidence? Anyway, curdling of milk, that's not redox reaction. Rashmi, that's not redox reaction. Corrosion of metals and rancidity of food items. Very good. Awesome. Yes. So, give 2 examples of oxidation reactions from your everyday life. That is nothing but rancidity and corrosion of metals. Okay. Rancidity is nothing but foods containing oils and fats undergo oxidation reaction and they become rancid. Rancid means they will have a foul taste, foul odor, bad taste and foul odor which we cannot consume. That is rancidity. Corrosion we just discussed. Okay. Next one, write the oxidizing agent in the reaction 4 and 6. So, see here 4 and 6, which is the what they have asked, reducing agent, right? Oxidizing agent they have asked. So, oxidizing agent, which is the oxidizing agent in 4th one and 6th reaction, here and here. Tell me the answer. And they have already defined what is reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Yes. Come on. Why isn't anyone giving the answer? Yes. What's the answer? See here. V2O5 plus 5Ca. I'll write here. So, V2O5 plus calcium. They are undergoing redox reaction to form vanadium and calcium oxide. V2O5. Okay. So, what happens here? V2O5, what is it going to do? What is happening to V2O5? It is undergoing reduction. So, reduction. So, which substance is undergoing reduction? Which substance is undergoing reduction is the oxidizing agent. They have said here, see, oxidizing agent. So, V2O5 is the oxidizing agent. In the next one, copper oxide and hydrogen. So, what's happening? Cu plus H2O. So, what is getting reduced? CuO is getting reduced to Cu. So, this is undergoing reduction process. So, this is the oxidizing agent. So, what will be the answer, guys? Come on, V2O5 and yes, CuO. V2O5 and CuO, copper oxide. These are the oxidizing agents in reaction 4 and 6. Very good. Krishu, my name is Ankita. What is not visible? Oh, the reactions were not visible. No problem. So, which of the following is an oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent is a substance which reduces the other. Sorry, which undergoes reduction. It undergoes reduction, but it oxidizes other. Oxidizes the other substance. So, which is an oxidizing agent here? You have discussed this. Yes, lithium aluminium hydride, alkaline KMnO4, acidified K2Cr2O7, both B and C. Is it option D? I am not married, Krishu. I am not. How is this relevant to the class? Come on. D. D is the right answer. Both B and C. This is something that you have studied in carbon and its compounds, guys. Connect the dots. So, ethanol will be oxidized to ethanoic acid. in presence of alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. Remember this? Very good, Divyankur said the answer. Super Divyankur. All very good. Keep it up. Connecting the dots is very, very important. Option D, Rashmi, good. Others, where are others? There are 11 students and I see only 2 of them answering. D. Okay, D is the right answer. Next, out of oxidation and reduction, which reaction takes place at anode? So, in anode, yes. Tell me the answer. Okay, Suryansh, this is a newly launched channel, Suryansh. So, this has, So, this is newly launched channel, that's why we have less subscribers. Please help us to reach more subscribers. Mind of a children, I don't understand. Oxidation, is it oxidation? Yeah, it is oxidation. Out of oxidation and reduction, which reaction takes place at anode? It is oxidation. It is oxidation. See, we'll do a fun session, fun questionnaire session among all our teachers, okay, after the exam. So, this is your exam time, right? So, it is very crucial for you. There are so many other students who are here to learn, who are here to revise. So, I am telling you, so let's not waste our time in unnecessary questions, okay? Yeah, oxidation. Oh, hi Yogesh. Yeah, I did attend, I just made a cameo in Kuldeep sir's session the other day. Reduction, is it? Yes. So, it is oxidation, okay. So, at anode, oxidation takes place. At cathode, reduction takes place. Next, question number 3. A chemical reaction is a representation of chemical change in terms of symbols and formulae of reactants and products. There are various types of chemical reactions like combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, oxidation and reduction reactions. Reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic. We know this. And all combustion reactions are exothermic in nature. All combustion reactions are exothermic in nature. Okay. Hi Dharabi. Hi. It's okay Dharabi. No problem. So, we are still in a third question. So, if we want to revise a second and first question, you can, watch that after the live has ended. Okay. Yeah, syllabus will be completed. Divyanshu, we have already completed chemistry syllabus, bio as well as physics. Okay. My name is Ankita. So, questions. The chemical reaction in which a single substance breaks down into 2 or more simpler substances upon heating is known as dash. This is the first question. Give the answer. First question. This is the first question. You already know the answer. They have already mentioned couple of types of chemical reactions in the paragraph. Yeah. Come on. Option D. Is it option D? Divyankur is saying option D. So, chemical reaction in which a single substance A is going to break down to give B and C. This is the general reaction. Photo decomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction, both A and C. Yes, what is the answer? Okay, thermal decomposition reaction. In case of thermal decomposition reaction, a single reactant is going to break down into 2 or more products, right? Photo decomposition, the same thing. Electrolytic decomposition, same thing. So, what will be the answer? Now, tell me. Yeah. Upon heating. See, this is the key term here. Upon heating. only upon heating. So, which is the answer? Option A, option C. So, it is first one. Option A is the right answer. Thermal decomposition reactions are those in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more products upon heating. In photolytic or photo decomposition reaction, light energy is used, light energy is given. Electric decomposition reaction, electricity, energy in the form of electricity is given. Okay, in decomposition reaction, we have three types: thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction, and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Don't get confused. Okay, so read the question thoroughly once or twice, not just once, twice or thrice. Okay, option A is the right answer. Yeah, I told you, right? So this is how we commonly make mistakes. This is very silly, but we would only know after we give back the paper to the invigilator. Okay, don't do this kind of mistakes. That's why you always have to review your paper. Last 10 to 15 minutes, you have to review your paper. Okay, you have to read the answers that you have written. If you have made a mistake, you have to correct it. Or there is grammar mistake or spelling mistake, you need to be correcting it in last 10 minutes. Okay. Thermal decomposition. Yes. Cool. So, next question. The massive force that pushes the rocket forward through space is generated due to the dash. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. This is application based question, competency based. Yeah, these case study based questions are competency based questions. Tell me the answer. Yeah. So, what will happen in the engine? Fuel is going to undergo what reaction? Is it decomposition? Think again. Hero is saying activate your all 6 senses in the exam. There are only 5 senses, right? What is the, come on, answer. So, combustion happens, burning or combustion happens, right? So, burning or combustion happens. So, combustion reactions always leads in the formation of heat as well as light energy usually. Okay. So, the fuel is going to combine with oxygen. Okay. Combine with oxygen, that is combustion reaction. What is important for combustion? There are 3 most important things. What is it? Fuel, oxygen, temperature, right? Fire triangle. So, for combustion to happen, these 3 are very important: fuel, oxygen and temperature. So, in the engine, the fuel is going to get ignited in presence of oxygen, which means that combination reaction is happening. First one is A is the right answer. Don't get confused, please. Combination reaction. Okay, not decomposition or nothing else. Combination. Combination reactions are usually exothermic in nature. Okay, they have given that here. See, combustion reactions are exothermic in reactions. You see this? All combustion reactions. There are combination reaction, so which are endothermic in nature, but all combustion reactions are absolutely exothermic. Okay. You got it now? Please don't get confused. Okay. Next to a white salt on heating decomposes to give brown fumes and yellow residue is left behind. The yellow residue is left behind is of dash: lead nitrate, nitrogen oxide, lead oxide, oxygen gas. What is the answer? What is the answer? Lead nitrate. A white salt on heating decomposes. Is it lead nitrate or lead oxide? What is it? Lead oxide. Thank you. Lead oxide, PbO. Remember the decomposition reaction of lead nitrate. What is going to happen? Lead nitrate is going to get decomposed into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Right? PbNO3 twice. When you heat this, it is going to produce PbO plus NO2 plus O2. So, oxygen is a colorless gas. It is colorless. Okay. And brown fumes, this is NO2. Brown fumes. PbO is the yellow residue. Yellow residue. So, what will be the answer? Lead oxide. Option C is the right answer. See, you have to apply your knowledge. If you mug up, you cannot answer these kind of questions. Okay. Okay. Carbon compound, lead nitrate, option C. Yes, yes, yes. Hi Junal. Hi Harish. Yes, all of you very good. Next last question in this case study. Which of the following reactions represents a combination reaction? Which is representing a combination reaction here. So, in combination reaction, what is going to happen? Combination reaction. So, two or more reactants are going to combine to form a single product. So, which is the example here? Come on, give me the answer. Hi Harsh. Hello. Hi. Thank you Harsh. Please answer now. Option A. Is it option A? What should I replay? Yeah. So, option A is the right answer. Calcium oxide is combining with water to give calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Here combination reaction can be seen. In the second one, it is decomposition reaction. It is decomposition. Third one is a displacement reaction. Third one is a displacement reaction. Last one is a decomposition reaction again. It is a decomposition reaction. Okay. Option A is the right answer. Very good all of you. Super. So, we will use the trick now. I will show you the questions first for this. Okay. So, then we can go back to the paragraph and read that. Is that fine everybody? So, some of you asked about a reaction. Which is that reaction? Copper nitrate. Is that so? Copper nitrate. Okay. So, copper nitrate is going to CuNO3 twice is going to get decomposed to CuO plus NO2 plus O2. This is the reaction, but it is not balanced. My name is Ankita. Balanced reaction is this: 2 CuNO3 twice, 4 CuO plus 3 2s are 6, 4 NO2. This is the answer. My name is Ankita. Understood everybody? I will show you the questions first. Okay. Yeah, copper oxide is black in color. This is the question. These are the questions first. हाँ, मेरा reply नहीं किया ma'am. Thank you YK Edits. Thank you so much. You made my day. Thank you. No, I don't have a child. I'm not married. Yeah. Define pH. Mention the pH range. How can we measure pH in the laboratory? Second question. Apart from the examples given here, mention any two other applications of pH and what reaction occurs while balancing the pH. Fourth question. pH means pH is equal to pH is equal to 7. Okay. Yeah. pH is equal to 7 and means the substance has a neutral pH. What do you mean by that? These are the questions. Let's read the paragraph. Okay. Look for the answers in the paragraph. pH is quite useful to us in a number of ways in daily life. Some of its applications are control of pH of the soil. So plants need a specific pH range for proper growth. The soil may be acidic or basic or neutral depending upon the relative concentration of H plus and OH minus ions. Okay. The pH of any soil can be determined by using pH paper. If the soil is too acidic, it can be corroded by adding lime to it. If the soil is too basic, it can be corrected by adding organic manure which contains acidic material. Self-defense by animals through chemical warfare. Stings of bees and ants contain methanoic acid, that is formic acid. Okay. When stung, it causes a lot of pain and irritation. This can be cured by rubbing the affected area with mild base like baking soda. They have given some information about pH and neutralization reaction. Okay. pH is a number which indicates the acid or base of solution. I'm not going to teach physics. Neha ma'am is already teaching physics. Okay. So yeah, let's see the questions again. So define pH, mention the pH range. What is pH? pH is nothing but power of hydrogen. pH can be defined as power of hydrogen. It indicates the acidity. It indicates the acidity or basicity of a substance. Basicity of a substance. That is nothing but pH. Okay. They have asked another question in the same one. Mention the pH range. What is the range of pH? More pH, more acidic? No. Less pH, more acidic. Whose pH is more? Bases. I started the class at 6:45. Yeah. Hi Sebasti. Hello. 14. Yes. So 0 to 14. pH range. I'll write here. pH range is equal to 0 to 14. Okay. So pH ranges from 0 to 14. So pH 0 to 7, which means that the substance is acidic in nature. If the pH is equal to 7 to 14, then it means that it is basic in nature. The substance is basic in nature. Understood? Whose number of concentration of hydrogen is more? Okay. In case of pH 0, concentration of H plus is highest. Okay. So pH is equal to 0. pH is equal to 14. The concentration of OH minus ions will be more. Understood? Hi Shanu. Hello. Show concentration of H plus ions. Yeah, we can say that as well. Acidic. Yes, pH 0 to 7 acidic. 7 to 14 basic. pH 7 means neutral in nature. Okay, the substance is neutral in nature. Next question, how can we measure pH in the laboratory? How do we measure pH in the laboratory? Yes, very good. Lemon juice, grapes, tomato. Lemon juice, grapes, tomato, these all have some organic acids. That's why their pH will be less than 7. I am from Karnataka. Hush. Oh, Sebasti is from Kerala. Yes. How can we measure pH in the laboratory? What do we use by pH scale? by using pH scale. By using pH scale. And also there is one instrument which is used to measure pH, which is that, yes, which is that? Very good. Mantasha is saying an instrument known as pH meter is used to measure the pH values. Very good, very good. pH meter, pH scale and pH meter. So pH meter is usually used to measure the pH in the laboratory because it gives an accurate value of pH. Okay. Yes. What is the pH of milk? pH of milk will be slightly acidic in nature. 5.5 to 6.5. Okay. Ethanol react with NaHCO3. No. Ethanol is not going to react with NaHCO3. Ethanoic acid is going to react with NaHCO3. Okay. Chitradurga is a district in Karnataka. I belong to Shumaga district. Let's move forward. Very good, all of you. Next question, not this one, here only. Apart from the examples given here, mention any two other applications of pH and what reaction occurs while balancing it. This is the first part of the question. Okay, so apart from the examples given here, mention any two other applications of pH. Any two other applications of pH? Sebasti, ask your doubt. I'll address it. What's the answer, guys? You're from Sonipat. Nice. I have never been to North India. Apart from given examples, they have mentioned the example of control of pH in soil, that is in agricultural field, and self-defense by animals. Do you know any other, do you know any other example? Yes, it helps us to, no, they are asking about the applications. Do you brush your teeth? How many of you brush your teeth? All of you, right? Why do you brush your teeth? Why do you brush your teeth? Tell me. In order to neutralize the acidic nature in the mouth, right? So that's one of the applications. Okay. So mention any two other applications. Neutralization of acidic environment in mouth, acidic environment in mouth using toothpaste. Toothpaste is a mild base. It is going to neutralize the acidic environment in the mouth to prevent tooth decay. Very good, Divyankur. Absolutely right. Yes. So what is it? To prevent tooth decay. Any other? They have asked us to mention two applications. Any other application? Give me the answer. In antacids. What are antacids? These are the mild bases that are used to nullify the acidic environment in the stomach. Okay. Very good, Gatin. Eating our mouth will be acidic. After eating our mouth will be acidic. So we are brushing our teeth, ma'am. Absolutely right. Very good. Yeah, there is a famous waterfalls near my place, Joke Falls. To get rid of acidity in stomach. Very good, Irfan. Yes. So antacids are used for that. So which is the most common antacid? Very good, Sebasti. Milk of magnesia. Yes, milk of magnesia. Even baking soda. Okay, milk of magnesia as well as baking soda can be used as antacids. Next one, so they have asked another question in the same one. What is it? What reaction occurs while balancing the pH? While balancing the pH, what reaction occurs? See, I have written it here. Which reaction? Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. The basic principle behind these these applications, neutralization reactions. If something is too acidic, we'll add base. Okay, so if something is very basic, we are going to add acid. Okay, I'm very sorry, Junil. There are so many, responses. I'm not able to, focus on everybody's answer. I'm really sorry. Okay, Lalit is from Shiral Koppa. Baking powder, not baking powder, but baking soda is used. Yes. Next to last question. pH is equal to 7 and means the substance has a neutral pH. What do you mean by that? So, if the pH is equal to 7, so what can you say about the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions? Yes. Tell me the answer. Pure water, yeah. Substance has a neutral pH when the pH value is equal to 7. Yeah, that is right. But what can you say about H plus and OH minus ions? So, when pH is equal to 7, it means that concentration of H plus ions is equal to the concentration of OH minus ions. Is that right? That's right. Right? Yes. Distilled water. Okay. So, is an example for neutral substance. Yes, when pH is equal to 7, it means that concentration of H plus ions is equal to the concentration of OH minus ions. Very good. Yes, this is something that you need to remember. Okay. So, number of H plus and OH minus ions are not released, but the concentration will be equal. What is the formula of baking powder? Baking powder is nothing but baking soda mixed with an edible acid, a mild edible acid like tartaric acid. Okay. Importance of pH in everyday life. pH is used to prevent tooth decay. Okay, and if there is any water that is released by the industries, it should be neutralized. Okay, we cannot just release that garbage into a river without neutralizing it. And what is saponification? Saponification is nothing but preparation of soap. The process of preparing soap is nothing but saponification. Okay. Tartaric acid, yeah, tartaric acid is usually one of the components of baking powder along with baking soda. Yeah, yes, Hero, that's, yeah, I know. Joke falls is really beautiful. Next question. So, question number 5, I will show you the questions first and then you can read the, read the paragraph. Which of the following metals is less reactive than hydrogen? First question, they have given the options. Which of the following metals is more reactive than hydrogen? Okay. Next, hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. It is because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the H, that is H2. H2 produced to water and itself get reduced to any of the nitrogen oxides. But dash and dash react with very dilute HNO3 to evolve hydrogen gas. Last question, which process is used to reduce highly reactive metals during extraction process? Okay. Yes, give me the answer. You must be singing this song. Give me some time to think. Right? Whenever I ask you to answer. Because so you are giving, your responses are coming late. This is the case, guys. So if you respond, it will come, I can see the response in, after 10 or 15 seconds because of the lag. Copper, Na2CO3. Okay, let's see the paragraph now. Okay, what they have asked, what they have given here, on the basis of reactivity of different metals with oxygen, water and acids as well as displacement reactions, the metals have been arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivities. This arrangement is known as activity series or reactivity series of metals. We know the reactivity series, right? Next, the basis of reactivity is the tendency of metals to lose electrons. If a metal can lose electrons easily to form positive ions, it will react readily with other substances. So, metals tend to lose electron, we know that. Metals tend to lose electrons and they form positively charged ions called cations. Okay, therefore, it will be reactive metal. On the other hand, if a metal loses electrons less rapidly, slowly, it is going to form positive ion, it will react slowly with other substances. Therefore, such a metal will be less reactive. This is the information that they have given. Okay, so Rashmi has given the answer for third question, manganese and magnesium. Junil has given the answer C2. Okay, first copper. Irfan has given the answer A option. Rashmi has given the answer for fourth one, electrolytic reduction. Yes, absolutely right. Very good, guys. So, you don't even, if you have studied properly, you don't even have to refer to the paragraph, right? Yeah. So, which of the following metals is less reactive than hydrogen? So, whichever metal that is placed below hydrogen in the reactivity series is less reactive than hydrogen. So, copper is the answer. Copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Zinc, magnesium, lead. So, these are all placed above hydrogen in the reactivity series. Okay. Next one, which of the following metals is more reactive than hydrogen? It is iron. Okay. So, below hydrogen we have mercury, we have copper, we have gold, we have silver and platinum. Okay. So, the order is not correct, but these are the 5 elements, 5 metals that are placed below hydrogen in the reactivity series, but iron is placed above hydrogen in the reactivity series. Very good, all of you, super. You guys are awesome. Next question, hydrogen gas is not evolved when metal, we have discussed this multiple times in our live classes, right. So, HNO3 when it reacts with a metal. So, usually what happens when a metal reacts with an acid, it gives hydrogen gas. But that does not happen in case of HNO3 because HNO3 is a very strong oxidizing agent. Okay, it is going to immediately convert the hydrogen gas that is produced to H2O. Alright, but there are 2 exceptional metals. Which are those? Rashmi already gave the answer. It is manganese and magnesium. Okay, it is manganese and magnesium. Mn and Mg. Mn and Mg. Okay. Acid base indicators are dyes or mixtures of dyes which are used to indicate the presence of acids and bases. Yes, phenolphthalein is there, methyl orange, we have universal indicator as well. Junil good, Irfan good, Rashmi, Lalit, all of you very good. What is the difference between ethanol and ethanoic acid with the basis of their properties? Okay, Kumar, so difference between ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol has alcohol as functional group. Ethanoic acid has carboxylic, functional group as carboxylic acid. Ethanol is neutral in nature. Carboxylic acid is acidic in nature. Okay. And ethanol has, both are sweet smelling, kind of, very sweet smelling substances. And ethanol, when ethanol is oxidized, it is going to give ethanoic acid. Okay, very good. Yes, last one, electrolytic reduction. So, which is the process that is used to reduce highly reactive metals during extraction process? It is electrolytic reduction. I will write here electrolytic reduction. Very good, guys, awesome. Electrolytic reduction. See, if you have studied well, you don't even have to look at the paragraph, but make sure to read it once. Okay. Next question. So, yes, let's see the questions first. Which of the following sets of compounds have same molecular formula? They are asking about the same molecular formula, which means that they are isomers. Okay, so there are options butane and isobutane, cyclohexane and hexene, propanol and propanone, all of these. Next, in order to form balancing, an organic compound must have a minimum of dash carbon atoms, 4, 3, 5, any number of carbon atoms. Third question, how many isomers are there for pentane? Fourth one, mention the properties of isomers. Mention the properties of isomers. Okay, I will stand here so that you can see the questions first. Junil is saying option A for the first question. Let's see the paragraph now. Okay, the compounds which have the same molecular formula but differ from each other in physical or chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomena is called isomerism. This is something that we have studied in carbon-enriched compounds. I have made a video on carbon-enriched compounds. Okay, go check that out if you want any clarification, more clarification. So, when the isomerism is due to difference in arrangement of atoms within the molecule without any reference to space, the phenomena is called structural isomerism. So, structural isomerism, isomers will have the same molecular formula but different structures. Okay, isobutane, butane and isobutane. Oh, many of you are giving the answer. Aryan, Junil, Harsh, Rashmi. Alright, let's see. In other words, structural isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. That is, they are different in order in which different atoms are linked. So, in these compounds, carbon atoms can be linked together in the form of straight chain, branched or even rings, cyclic. Okay. So, what is the answer here? For the first one, which of the following sets of compounds have same molecular formula? Butane and isobutane. Butane is straight chain compound, isobutane is branched. Cyclohexane and hexene, does it have the same molecular formula? Let's see. See here, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means 6 carbon atoms will be there. Okay. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atoms. Hexa means 6. Okay. See, you shouldn't be too eager to jump to the answer. Okay, it is C6H12. What about hexene? Calculate that. What is the general formula of alkene? CnH2n. So, N is equal to 6 in case of hexene. C6H12. Give me the answer now. Is it A? Is it A? No. A is also isomer. B is also isomer. Okay, let's see propanol and propanone. What is propanol? Propanol, aldehyde is there. Okay, 3 carbon atoms. Okay, so it will be joined to one oxygen and 1 hydrogen here. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. So, how many carbon atoms see here? 3 carbon atoms, hydrogen 3 and 1 oxygen. What about propanone? What about propanone? I'll rub the other ones. See, you are too quick to jump to the answer. It's not just A. Propanone. Tell me the answer. Propanone, I'll write here. C, C, C. Okay. So, yeah, it will be bonded to 1 carbon atom. Okay. CH3, CH3. Now, see, C3, H6, O. Aren't they isomers? They're all isomers. Okay. These are all having same molecular formula, guys. All of these, option D is the right answer. Please don't get confused. Okay. So, hydrogenation. Okay, Kumar, hydrogenation is an addition reaction where unsaturation will be removed. Okay. So, hydrogenation happens in case of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, I'll give you an example. So, we have ethene here, CH2, CH2. Okay, hydrogenation happens in presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst, and this double bond will be removed. CH3, CH3. This is hydrogenation. Okay. Hi, Soni. What is its industrial use? Hydrogenation is used to convert vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee. Okay, so vegetable oils are unsaturated, vanaspati animal fats are saturated. Okay, vegetable oil will be converted into vanaspati. That is the industrial use of hydrogenation. Although nitrogen is found abundantly in the atmosphere, it doesn't take part in combustion because nitrogen is inert in nature. Okay, and if it had to undergo combustion reaction, it needs a very high amount of temperature. Around 700 degrees Celsius is required for nitrogen to undergo combustion reaction with oxygen. That's why, so nitrogen doesn't take part in combustion at normal temperature. Okay, understood? For the first question, all of you got the answer wrong. It's okay, no problem. So please do not jump to the conclusion. Okay, even in life we shouldn't jump to the conclusion. We have to be quite patient, right? So assess everything and give the answer. Okay, next question. In order to form branching, an organic compound must have a maximum of dash carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms? If 2 carbon atoms are there, so can it form isomers? No. 3? No. Okay. So any number? No. It is 4 carbon atoms. Okay. So it must have minimum of 4 carbon atoms. In order to show isomerism, it should minimum have 4 carbon atoms. It's not option B, it's option A. 4 carbon atoms. Propane doesn't show any isomers. Propane doesn't show any isomers. No guys. 4 carbon atoms must be there. Okay. Lalit Junil, it's not 3, it's 4. Option A is the right answer. Next, how many isomers are there for pentane? How many isomers? Pentane. Penta means carbon. There will be 5 carbon atoms. 3 isomers are possible for pentane. 3 isomers are possible for pentane. Okay. So 1 straight chain, 2 branched. Very good, Aryan. Next, mention the properties of isomers. So it's already there here. Properties of isomers are already there here. Where is it? They have the same molecular formula, but they have different physical or chemical properties. Simple. That's it. Okay. Okay. Bookhead is asking another question. KMNO4 acts as reducing agent, oxidizing agent, catalyst, rehydrating agent. KMNO4 acts as oxidizing agent. Potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, both are good oxidizing agents. Okay. H2SO4 is the dehydrating agent. Catalyst is nickel or palladium in your syllabus, whichever there is in your syllabus. Okay. What else? Reducing agent. Coke is a reducing agent. Understood? Bookhead. Ethane with a molecular formula C2H6 has what is the question? Lalit. Isomers may have the same or different chemical properties. All isomers have the same number of atoms. Isomers have different structural arrangement. Yes, absolutely right. So, mention the properties of isomers. First one, they will have the same molecular formula. They differ in their physical as well as chemical properties. Okay, mention these 2 properties. Next, last question guys. This is the last question. Okay, please answer. So, what do you want? So, should I show the question first or this paragraph? Tell me, what do you want? How many covalent bonds? For C2H6, I will show you here. I will rub this off completely. C2, I hope this is clear because the first question was quite confusing. Hi Prabhakar, hello. Ma'am, denatured alcohol, what is the uses? How is it formed? Okay, I will tell you. We want more. You want more? Okay, so I will take the session next week. Okay, waiting for the song. Yeah, I'll sing the song. Wait. So, what was the question? Propane. Okay, propane means carbon. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. Okay. How many covalent bonds are present here? You count it. How many covalent bonds are present here? You just can't count the bonds that are present between carbon. Okay. Just not that. All the bonds should be calculated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 covalent bonds in propane. Okay. That's it. Next, we had another question. What is denatured alcohol? What is denatured alcohol? So, alcohols are used in industries. Alcohols are used in industries, but people misuse the alcohol. That's why alcohol, industrial alcohol will be added with dyes, added with some dyes like copper sulfate, so that it cannot be consumed. It cannot be consumed. It cannot be consumed. Okay. So, alcoholics can drink anything, right? So, during Corona, I read this story where, few of them were drinking cough syrups as well as, hand sanitizers, and some of the deaths happened as well. So, that's why industrially alcohol is of immense importance. That's why industrial alcohol shouldn't be misused. Okay. That's why they will be added with dyes like copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue in color, so that it cannot be consumed. This is nothing but denatured alcohol. What is the use? In order to distinguish, identify. Okay. Yes, understood? Yes, also industrial alcohol have very high concentration, that is right. Spirit, we call it spirit, 99% pure will be there, and it is very lethal. It is very, very dangerous. This is about soaps and detergents. So, the questions are, first, define soaps and detergents. Okay. Next, which is effective in hard water? Why? Mention the two ends of soaps and their nature. Does miscellany show Tyndall effect? Why? So, you don't even have to look at the paragraph if you have studied the concept properly. IUPAC full form. Okay, Lalit asked the question. Junil gave the answer. Thank you, Junil. So, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Yeah, I get that a lot. Yeah, I look like Tamanna Bhatia. Many of them have said. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah. So, who is poisonous, methanol or denatured alcohol? Methanol is extremely poisonous. Even denatured alcohol is also poisonous. Okay, denatured alcohol cannot be consumed. It will be added with copper sulfate as well as a little bit of methanol. Rectified spirit, yeah. So, see the paragraph now. Okay. So, what is it? The molecules of soaps are sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. Define soaps and detergent. It's already there. This is the definition. Next, the ionic end of soap interacts with water. So, this is the answer for another question. Okay. While the carbon chain interacts with the oil. The soap molecules thus form structures as micelles, where one end of the molecules is towards the oil droplet while the ionic end faces outside. This forms an emulsion. Remember the concept from grade 9. It forms an emulsion, okay, in water. Thus, soap micelles, the soap micelles thus helps in pulling out the dirt in water, and we can wash our clothes clean. Reaction of soap with the calcium and magnesium salts, which cause the hardness of water, leads to what? Scum formation. Scum formation. So, this problem is overcome by using another class of compounds called detergents as cleansing agents. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acid or ammonium salts with chlorides or bromide ions. This is the definition. For first question, this is the answer. Define soaps and detergents they have asked, right? Yes. So, this is the definition. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. Detergents are sodium salts of sulfonic acids or ammonium salts with chlorides or bromide ions. Simple, right? Next, there is no class after my session, but at 9 o'clock I am going to premiere the video which gives you tips and strategies. Oh, I always stutter when I say tips. Yeah, they remain ineffective, effective in hard water. So, answer the question now. This is simple. Define soaps and detergents. You can, right? This is already there in the paragraph. Next, which is effective in hard water? Why? So, detergents are effective in hard water. Detergents are effective in hard water. Why? Why? Tell me. Tell me why. Yes. So, these do not form scum in hard water. Scum in hard water. Unlike soaps. Soaps are going to form scum in hard water. Soaps are going to react with magnesium salts in the hard water and they are going to form scum. Scum is insoluble precipitate. Okay. Yes. Next one. Mention the two ends of soaps and their nature. What is this? Two ends of the soap. Hydrophobic. Just give me a second. So, hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Okay, this is very annoying now. Hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Hydrophobic and then hydrophilic end. Hydrophilic means which loves water. Ionic end is the hydrophilic end. Okay. So, what is the hydrophobic end? Come on guys, give me the answer. Saturated single carbon compound. Yes, very good. Single bond will be there in case of carbon compounds. You are right. Come on. Hydrophobic is water resistant. Yes, very good. Due to magnesium and calcium. Yeah, they form scum. Very good. What's the answer? Hydrophobic, hydrophilic, ionic and hydrophobic. So, what is it? It is the long chain carboxylic acid. Okay. Carboxylic acid and it is hydrophobic in nature. Does micelles show Tyndall effect? Do they show Tyndall effect? So, what is Tyndall effect? Hydrophobic, water resistant. Very good. Yeah, I will talk in Kannada after some time. Yeah. Tell me the answer now. Does micelles show Tyndall effect? Yes. Micelles show Tyndall effect because they are colloids. Do you remember in grade 9 we have discussed about mixtures, colloids, suspensions and solutions. Okay. Yes. So, these are going to show Tyndall effect because they are colloids. Okay. The particles are big enough to scatter the beam of light. I will write here in the bracket. The particles are big enough to scatter the beam of light. Beam of light. Scattering of light is nothing but Tyndall effect. Okay, understood? Alright. You answered first? Okay, let me see the comments, okay? Alright, yes. Very good guys, very good answers. This is all for today's session. So the link of the notes will be in the description. Okay, get it. And we have, I already told you, on 27th of February, so we'll be going 7-hour marathon, okay, for all the chapters. 1 hour concept discussion, 20 minutes PYQs discussion, and 15 minutes doubt clearing, and 10 minutes we'll take the break. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಶಿರಾಳಕೊಪ್ಪ, ಲಲಿತ್. I belong to Sagra. What is molasses? Molasses are, I guess, sugarcane wastage. These are called molasses. Okay? Okay, it's time for singing. We have 5 more minutes. So which is the song that you need me to sing? Hi, Desi Chora. Yes. It's a very short session. No, it's been 1.5 hours, I guess. Adbhuta. Thank you, Junil. Song, which song? Which song should I sing? Next class will be tomorrow, but I am not going to take the class. So at 9 o'clock, so I'll be telling you the tips and strategies. Okay? Yes. No, just melodies. I am not good at these other things. Just melodies. Hindi song. Okay. So somebody asked Saudebazi song, right? Okay, I'll sing the song. सीधा साधा सारा सौदा सीधा सीधा होना जी, मैंने तुमको पाना ही या तूने मेरे को खोना जी, आजा दिल की करे सौदेबाजी क्या नाराजी, अरे यार यारे यार, सीधे साधा सारा सौदा सीधा सीधा होना जी, मैंने तुमको पाना ही या तूने मेरे को खोना जी, आजा दिल की करे सौदेबाजी क्या नाराजी, यारे आरे यारे यार. Enough. That's it. What is it? Endothermic pyrolysis. So it's not there in your syllabus. So endothermic means heat will be given, heat will be absorbed by the reactants. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, this is it. Okay, please do join me on 27th February. I mean, it's when is it? After your English exam. 26th is your English exam. 27th will go marathon. Okay, and also let me know the timings. Should I start from 10 a.m. or 3 p.m.? In the morning or in the afternoon, which is comfortable to you? Let me know, please, so that I can start. No, I am better off as a teacher, Aditya. Yeah, let me know the timings, please. 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. Which is better? Okay, hero is somebody I know, definitely. 10 a.m. Is that fine? How many of you say 10 a.m.? Please give a thumbs up in the live chat. 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. 7-hour session, that's why. I'm okay with anything, 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. Yes, morning. Okay, we'll start at 10 o'clock then. Okay, so 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 o'clock, 10 to 5. What is fermentation? So this is partly biology, this is partly chemistry. fermentation, I know the products. So when you put these organic things like fruits or vegetables, and they are going to undergo fermentation process to produce alcohol and also carbon dioxide gas, that is known as fermentation process. So yeah, morning is fine for you. Another song, okay, so as we don't have anybody waiting, I'll sing you another song, but this is it, okay. Alright, Ishq Bulawa. इश्क बुलावा जाने कब आवे, इश्क बुलावा आवे जब आवे, मीता कोल तेरे रहना, मीता कोल तेरे रहना, मीता बैठा कोल तेरे, तेनू तकदा रवा, बातों पे तेरी हसदा रवा, पागल मैं खुद नू बनांदा रवा, तू हसदी रवे मैं हसांदा रवा, तेनू तकदा रवा. That's it. What is the role of lactobacillus bacteria in milk? So it increases acid production. Okay, all right. So this is all for today's session, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel Diksha Vedantu English for 9th and 10th, and please do share the videos with your friends as well. Okay, I'll see you all in the next session, and please revise it. Okay, so last few questions were quite tricky, so practice that more and more, and also please revise. Okay, it's not time for you to waste your time. Okay, it's not time for you to go through the textbook. It's time for you to revise. Okay, your exam starts on 21st. Okay, please do that, and at 9 o'clock I'll be uploading a video of tips and strategies to revise. Cool. Okay, I'll see you all in the next session. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye. Tata.